Today I have a Genesis GV70 and I'm going to show you how to start this Genesis GV70 from inside of the vehicle. All right, so I'm inside of the vehicle. Make sure that you have your key right here. Oh, before you start it, if you found my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up? I'll appreciate it. Make sure your fob key is within the vehicle. I generally place it in the cup holder or just keep it in my pocket. So once you're in the vehicle, okay, you'll go down to the footwell. Make sure the vehicle's in park, which it is in, all right? And I'll go to the footwell, press down on the brake. Once I press down on the brake, oh, I put my seatbelt on first too. I did that. Let me do that. Put my seatbelt on. I'll go to this start, stop button right here. Do you see this? Engine start, stop. And what I'll do is I'll press this with my foot on the brake. And look at that. It's started up. It says system check, tire pressure, all this. The vehicle is now ready to roll.